Hello everyone, how are you? In today's video, we will design another poster whose theme is CR7. Let's start. Let's create an A4 size artboard for the poster design. Name it CR7. After creating the artboard, we will create solid color layer. For the color, we'll go to Adobe Color. Click on Explore. I use a shade of black for the background. Just copy it from here and paste it on the color picker box. Lock the solid color layer. Now bring the model. Resize the model. Duplicate the model layer and rasterize the first one. Now type 7. The font name is Arial. Resize the 7. Rasterize the 7 and get the 7 layer below the first model layer. Make a mask. Now select a soft round brush. Wipe the upper part of the model which is overlapping with 7. We will do color balance of the first model. -41 of yellow is good. Now again select a brush which is called dried blood splatter. Clipping mask the brush stroke. Now select and group them all. Select the soft round brush and make an effect under bottom of the artboard. Now select the hood brush. This angle is good. Change the color. After that, resize it. Make another layer because I want another hood brush stroke. This is making a round angle with 7. Down the opacity. And make a mask with first hood brush stroke. Take a soft round brush and wipe the underpart. Now we will create a smoky effect. For that we will choose a powder brush. Let's dab, dab and dab. Lower the opacity for smoothing this effect. Now bring the second model. Resize the model. Duplicate the model and rasterize the first layer. Let's make it black and white. Adjust it as per your require. Again duplicate the layer. Double click on the layer and blending window will pop up. We will use stroke from here and size is 21. Now group them. Bring the layer to on top and decrease the opacity and adjust it. Type C and R letter and place R bottom of C. The spacing is 104 pt. Font name is Roboto. Copy the 7. Make a color overlay of black. Go to filter, go to blur and Gaussian blur and select radius. Copy the text and paste it. The size of the text is 14 pt. And increase the spacing between letters. Color will pick from background. I think 12 pt will be good. Now get the rest text on the artboard, rearranging the letter one after one. Do the wall caps on. Size is 14 pt. Increase the line spacing. Now I'm adding last element. Create a line, change the color. Again change the stroke size. Go to stroke option. Go to more option. We'll get a pop-up window. Dash size is 0.2 and gap size is 6. Copy it 2 times. Rearrange the lines. and again add some powder brush effect to feel smoky. Now let's watch the final look.